If you want to know how to fix Snapchat video quality, you've come to the right place. So let's open our Snapchat and let's say that we need to create some video, so we need to shoot it. And sometimes quality of our video could be not that good as we need, as we want. So how can we fix this problem? Basically, I have a couple of solutions you can try to do. So firstly, make sure the camera is clean. So try to avoid any dust or some other stuff, and try to shoot in the best lighting you have with the best quality you can provide. Because sometimes camera on our devices could be not that good as we want, as we saw on the movies and somewhere else. The other way of how can we fix quality is that we can easily add some filters by simply creating a video and then just add some filters from Snapchat. So this is the other way, and sometimes they could really improve our camera quality, make picture look better, and so on. So these are the ways of how can we try to make the best quality possible on Snapchat. And the other way of how can we try to fix it from program side is that we need to open basically App Store or Google Play, depends on your mobile type. And then in a search bar, just simply search for Snapchat. So we need to open the app page on the App Store in my case, and make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat, because sometimes the developers they increase the AI technologies, increase their own algorithms to improve the video quality inside of Snapchat. Because if you're going to use in Snapchat camera, it will be automatically replaced from your default camera settings. You'll shoot on their camera program, not on yours. And the next way of how can we fix it is that we can simply use our default camera. So sometimes it could be really the solution, because here, for example, in the right side, we can even change our quality, we can change FPS and so on. So definitely this is the best way of how can we improve our quality. And in order to add this video to our Snapchat, we just simply need to click on our Snapchat, open it, and then in the left bottom corner, just simply click on our gallery. And here, as you can see, we can switch to camera roll, for example, and add some other stuff. So yeah, basically, as for me, definitely the best way to improve, to fix Snapchat video quality is to shoot it on our default camera app. So if I had this this problem, I would definitely use this solution to fix my Snapchat video quality. But make sure also that you have the latest version. So this is a way of how can we fix Snapchat video quality. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.